Hey, what's up guys? It's Andrew with Andrew Farley's Cars. Today, just going to be doing an oil change on my 03 Mazdaspeed Protege. Feel like it's due at this point. I've been running it kind of hard and the oil looks fairly dirty. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick oil change on it. First I'm going to pop the dipstick, show you guys the condition of the oil. So there she is, looking kind of dirty. I think it's ready for a change. I got the Liquid Moly 5W40 full synthetic oil it's going to be going in today, along with an OEM Mazda oil filter. That's the Tokyo Roki Co. Ltd filter. I like using a nice high quality filter. Got my set of wrenches here. Got a new fresh milled on drain plug which hopefully fits. Got some rags to clean up the oil. Brake clean is always helpful. My creeper. Oil jug for the old oil. Got a funnel here as well. Let's get alright, so here I am under the car. Dirty oil pan. It's got a leak. I got to unbolt it, get it all resealed at some point. It's leaking from somewhere here. But yeah, I'll get that cleaned up a bit. Pop the drain plug off here. Alright, so let's go. Loosen this off. There's the filthy old oil. I think she's ready for a change. Been running it pretty hard. It's been like plus 30 a lot of these days. Running really hot with the turbo. So yeah, let's see if this new drain plug fits in here, because this one's missing the magnet on it. So it fell off at some point, I don't know. Not the best quality at AWR over there. But yeah, I'll see if this new drain plug fits in. I don't know. Kind of looks like it might be a different size, wrong size, but I was told it should be the correct size. Alright, so I got the new drain plug installed. Fits real nice. Cleaned up the oil pan a little bit. Nice fresh washer on there. Next, I'm going to be pulling off the oil filter, popping a new one on. Old filter there. Denso. Still pretty high quality filter, but I still prefer the OEM Mazda one. Just a fresh new filter. Put a little bit of oil into it just to lubricate the engine. There she is, ready to go. Alright, so the filter's changed, new fresh filter, new drain plug, all the dirty oil's drained out. Now time to add some nice fresh Liquid Moly into here. Fresh Liquid Moly in the engine. You can stop that. Alright guys, so filled up the oil. It's on the full line. Nice clean Liquid Moly in there. Gonna start the engine and let it run for a little bit and then check it again. Alright guys, just gonna start up the engine. Let the new oil run through for a second. Alright, so I'm checking the dipstick out again. Make sure I have the right oil level. After I ran the engine, looks like it went down a little bit. Not much, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I want to make sure it's perfect. Still need a bit more. Alright, looks pretty good. Just a tiny bit below the fill line. Should be perfect. Alright, so the new oil's in. Engine's running good, no leaks, all cleaned up, topped up to the right level. Final step, check your mileage. I'm at 185,507. So I'm gonna mark it for about 190,000, even though I'll probably do it earlier than that. So you get your oil change sticker right there, mark your kilometers and your date. All right, and there it is. Oil change on the 03 Mazdaspeed Protege. Took somewhere around 6 liters of oil because I got the deep oil pan on it. I like running the Moto 540 because it seems to hold up to the high temps and the heat and everything. Yeah, all right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day. See you guys later.